Hi guys, this is Pina Espinoza from Artemis Law. Today I'd like to speak to you a bit about the NIE. This is the Número de Identidad del Extranjero. This means the foreign identity number, basically. It's a number that anybody who wants to do anything here in Spain needs. If you do want to realize any tax relevant operation here in Spain, such as buying a property, buying a car, getting a mobile phone, anything like that, you need this number. So basically, to live here, that is the first thing you have to have in hand. If not, you can't do much. And it's not as easy to get as one would wish. In general, the NIE always is going to be on your residence document. So if you apply for a residence permit, for a long-term visa, etc., you're going to be issued this number immediately, and you're going to see it on your document. However, if you're not planning on actually living here in Spain and just want to buy a property, for example, to spend your holidays in, etc., in that case, you are going to need the NIE anyways, because you're going to want to buy the property and you need it for the property purchase, since afterwards you're going to have to pay the corresponding taxes. So what can you do? There's two options you have in this regard where you can apply your NIEs for. You can go to the consulate at your place of residence in your home country, or you can try and get an appointment here in Spain. In Spain, either you can come yourself to go to the appointment, or you could issue a power of attorney for someone to do this for you. If you want to issue a power of attorney in this regard, you can do it, for example, for your lawyer or even for a friend you have here in Spain. In that case, you're either going to have to issue the power of attorney at a notary public of your home country, and then have it legalized in your home country so that you can use it in Spain. Or you can go to a consulate in your home country, a Spanish consulate in your home country, and sign it there. Or you can issue the power of attorney when you're visiting here in Spain. So these are the ways to go if you want to get the NIE. In this case, you always have to be very careful. It's very important to keep, let's say, a certain timeline in mind if you plan for an operation. For example, you want to purchase a property and you're planning on signing the deed on a certain day. You should really try to have that number ready by that date. It is not an obligation, but in case you do not have it yet and you can't get it for within a month after you sign the property deed, you may have a problem when trying to pay your taxes. You may be able to pay them anyways, however, you're going to have to pay late, and if you pay out of deadline, you have to pay a fine for that. So there are different reasons to try to really get this number previously and be ready. Okay, if you have any questions, if you have any doubts in this regard or need an NIE or want, to get a residence permit, etc. for Spain, get in touch. Be my pleasure to help you. Thank you.